Hello viewers and my dear students. Welcome to session 11 on projection of plane surfaces demo. That is, we are doing a demo on circular lamina and this is the third session exclusively on circular lamina. This is overall, this is the session number 11, demo on circular lamina. This is the third session here. We are doing using solid edge. Okay, hope you know we had come till this point earlier. Okay, we had come till this point. That means this is a point on HP, surface a diameter inclined at 60 degrees to HP. Okay, and the top of the diameter contained in the point is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. Okay, top of the diameter. That means I have to rotate this at 45 degrees. Okay, now you see here what I'll do. Rotate. I'll take the entire thing. I'll take this as the fixed point, this as the moving point. I'll rotate it to 45-degree angle. Okay, now this has been done. Now, as you know, you see here, this has been done. You just see, I told you this parallel you follow. Parallel you follow. Okay, now this is AE, that is the top of the diameter containing the point. Top of the diameter containing the point is AE, because since the diameter is inclined at 60 degrees to HP, this is the apparent length. It appears reduced. But what they say is, this diameter, this top of the diameter should be inclined at 45 degrees to VP, they have said. You just incline it at 45 degrees to VP. Okay. Then you take this. This is 45 degrees to VP. Okay. Now you have to be careful here because there is so much of cosmetics here. The things what you have to do and all that. You have to be careful here. Okay. This actually the C. This is actually C. A, B, C, D, E, F. Oh, G has not come. Okay. G also you do. G also has come. Push it to G also here. Okay. Now once you do this, okay, you see here, I'll take the projectors first. Projectors from here. Carefully do the projectors. Carefully do the projectors from here, and you can show that these are all the using this. You can even show here. This is how you have gone. Okay, this. Now you have to take the projectors from the top view. This is what I was telling you, from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and all that. You have to take the projectors again. Okay, that is why I'll enlarge zoom. I'll zoom the area first. First I'll get the points now. This is very important, I'll tell you, because you have to, unless you do it carefully, you won't get the that is curve properly. Anyway, I'll show you from here. Take this. Okay, this is on this you should find G. Okay, and then on this you should find F actually. Okay, on this you should find H actually. This is E. This is D. On this you should find A. Totally 8 points, no, 8 lines should be there. And on this you should find B. Okay, more or less everything has come except from C. Okay, now see also, that means totally 8 lines you got, and extra things and all that we'll remove that, trim. Okay, now you have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in that way you see here. Now you have to be careful little, because if you know here, okay, first we'll have the points. Okay, point will have, make it ready. Otherwise, you get confused. Now see here, A should be on this line. You see here A. You look for the intersection. Otherwise, A you see here A. I'll have the A should be here. No, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th line. That is why what I'll do, I'll zoom this area. That means your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this, you should find you should find carefully, because see here this what I'll do, no, I'll split the line. Okay, otherwise you won't get the endpoints and all that correctly. Anyway, see here, uh, this is the point 2, and it should be, as you know, it is here on this line. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th line. Okay, now if you find the intersection, it will be better. Otherwise, if you are not getting intersection, you approximately have the point done. Okay, then you see here, in the same way, zoom the area, now as you know, B and H, B is on the 4th line. Okay, B is on the 4th line from the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and H is on the 7th line. Okay, B and H I think is the 8th line. Okay, 8th line. Okay, in that way, you see here, point you take 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 4th and 8th, if you are not sensing the midpoint, sorry, intersection point, you try to do by enlarging the area. Okay, 4th and 8th, B and H. Okay, Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth. This is eighth. Okay, that's why you have to be careful here. This is a very good exercise for you. And in the same way, I'll unzoom it, and then C and G you'll see. C and G, C and G, if you see that, C is the, I think it is, C is the second line, and G is the seventh line. Second and seventh, I think C and G. Okay, C you are taking from here. C is the second, and G, if you see, it is the seventh. In that way, you take the point command. Okay, before that, you enlarge this area, zoom the area. This is second and seventh line you take for getting the points. Okay, then point. This is second. Second and seventh you take, and then you fit this and enlarge it here and see for the remaining that is D and F. No, D and F, zoom the area. D is on the first line and F is on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5, no, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, D and F is on the first and fifth line. That is why first and fifth line D and F. Then zoom the area, take the point, this is the first point, you have to be careful. Okay, you have to unless you zoom it, you won't get that. Again, actually you have to zoom again. Okay, this is done. Then another is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection you are getting. Okay, this is also over. Okay, then you see the final thing. Okay, then E is on actually A, B, C, D. E is on 1, 2, 3, third line. Correct, no? E is on the third line. In that way, we'll zoom the area. We'll zoom the area and take the point and take it to 2 mm, and it is on the third line. You take this. Okay, once you do this, you fit the thing. Now I have all the points here. Okay, all the points here. Once you join these three, all these points, you are getting a smooth curve, which is the final stage front view. That means the problem is this way: surface is inclined at 60 degrees to HP, point on HP, top of the diameter containing the point is inclined at 45 degrees to VP, and you have to draw the projections. Now carefully you have taken the points, and using a 3-point curve, we will complete this in the next session. Okay. Now this is you please revise, because this is a very important problem in the sense, if this is given, very few students will do in the exam, because this, unless you zoom the area, you won't get the points properly. You have to have the points properly, then only to join. Now the only thing left is joining.